Hey guys, I'm a Penny Stock Pincher and today we're talking about 5 very small and probably unknown mining companies out of the lithium sector. Since 3 of these 5 stocks have a market capitalization of less than 10 million euros, they have the potential to make you financially independent in a few years. So why do I think that right now is a very good time to invest in lithium mining? That is discussed in the video Commodity Supercycle. Here you will also find the basics of investing in mining companies, including what exploration and development miners are, and why grade is not the only factor in mining stock valuations. One more thing before we get started. If you have chosen your broker for the lowest order fees, you might not be able to trade these stocks. So you might have to switch your broker so that you're actually able to trade the stocks. Let's get to our 5 lithium miners now. Argentina Lithium and Energy Corporation is our first. The Canadian company has a market capitalization of only 3.15 million euros. As you can see in the long-term scaling, Argentina Lithium has fallen sharply. Even since 2018, the stock has lost another 80% in value. Argentina Lithium has 2 lithium exploration projects in, you might guess it, Argentina. The Incahuasi project as well as the Antofagasta project are located in the Lithium Triangle, which is the largest lithium deposit in the world. Therefore, the projects are strategically located. The Antofagasta project has a grade of 350 mg lithium per liter, which is quite an adequate value. The next company is Pepini Minerals. Pepini has also a very small market capitalization of only 7 million euros. The share price comes from around 200 Australian dollars in 2007 and is now at 25 Australian cents. Also related to 2018, the share price has fallen sharply again. On January 22nd this year, the share was already at 60 Australian cents. Because I do believe in this company, I have increased my position during the past year several times. At my first purchase, the spread was still close to 50%. This has now decreased. Pepini is currently focused on the 2 metals, copper and lithium. The Salta Lithium project is also located in the Lithium Triangle and is still in the exploration phase. Their lithium grades range from 233 to 288 milligrams of lithium per liter, which is not above average but still quite solid. When checking out Metals Australia, we can see that they even have a smaller market capitalization of 5.4 million euros with a current share price of 0.2 Australian cents. Over the last few years, Metals Australia has consistently been worth little. Looking at their website, it doesn't necessarily please one's eye. We can see that they have a lot of undeveloped projects in their portfolio, including graphite, gold, zinc, nickel, copper, and also lithium. That's why I only bought a position of 1 million shares last week. Metals Australia is only traded on their home exchange in Sydney. Therefore, I had to make a purchase on a foreign exchange. Sometimes this is even cheaper despite foreign currency costs because the spread of the ask value is lower. Let's check Lithium South Development. Lithium South Development has a market capitalization of 28.6 million euros and is also still very small. That there is still plenty of room for improvement is shown by the chart since 2005. Also in the 5-year scale, you can see how much the price has fallen. I have already bought a small position in November 2020, which has performed quite well since then. However, I will use small dips to add to the position. Lithium South Development Corporation only has the Ombre Metro North Lithium project, which is also located in the Lithium Triangle. The exploration phase was successfully completed, as seen here in yellow. The mining costs of $3.112 per ton are also very acceptable. However, at the outrageous grade of 980 milligrams per liter, one must still be cautious, as expanding the mining area at the indicated depth of 300 to 400 meters can be very costly. The last company is Bearing Lithium, which has a market capitalization of 10 million euros. Bearing Lithium has also fallen sharply, both looking at the 5-year scale and looking back to 2011, where the stock had its all-time high of 3 Canadian dollars 50. I have only bought a small position of Bearing Lithium for now, but would like to increase it in a timely manner. Bearing Lithium has only the Mariconga project. This is located in the northern part of Chile in the salt desert Salar de Atacama. The project has already been transferred to the development phase due to the high grade. The expected mining costs are very low as shown here. With approximately $5,000 per ton, these costs are allegedly even lower than those of the lithium giants SQM and Albemarle. I'm convinced of all 5 stocks, which is why I'm invested in all of them. Based on today's status, I'm now prioritizing these companies in ascending order from 5th to 1st place to the best of my knowledge and belief. The 5th place is occupied by Argentina Lithium and Energy Corporation. So far, these are pure exploration activities. But you can expect more from a company with a market cap of about 3 million euros. Why did I buy it? Because it is a pure lithium play and because they are simply too cheap with their market cap. The 4th place goes to Metals Australia. I am convinced that Metals Australia will be able to fly one or more of their projects when the market prices for metals are higher and their share price will then rise strongly. Pepini Minerals at number 3 offers exactly the metals I'm most interested in: copper and lithium. I also like the fact that the price is also very volatile in recent months, which shows that the stock has a large trading volume. Lithium South Development is second in my ranking because of its high grade and strategic location. Bering Lithium is the absolute favorite for me at the moment, due to the advanced status of the project as well as the high grade. If the mining costs of $5,000 per ton are realized, I see the company in 2 to 3 years at a market capitalization in the 3-digit million range. If you like this video and you're interested in other mining stocks, you're welcome to subscribe.